Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as you can see that gold has formed dojis, 3 consecutive dojis for last 12 hours. Market is in indecision mode. As a result, we do not have much opportunities on the 4 hours chart. And while looking at the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, okay, I found some opportunities, so that we'll be discussing today. But on the 4 hours chart, we have got nothing right now. Market is flat. Market is not very volatile. Okay, so things are not very exciting right now. But do not forget the old saying, trading should be boring. If it excites you, you are in the wrong track. Okay, let's discuss about the chart of DXY first. So this is a chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and as per our expectation, market faced resistance around 108 and we saw market coming down as well. But one more thing that we cannot deny about this chart is that though DXY faced massive correction for the last couple of days, but right now DXY wants to recover. DXY is showing signs of recovery because you can see DXY constantly forming higher lows here. Higher lows usually signify the entry of new buyers. And right now you can see that DXY is right on the spot. DXY is just now standing at the support here, the support of the trend line. So this level will be very important. If DXY continues the higher low formation, and bounces, then this time DXY will be breaking 108 level. Okay, but in case it goes down, keep in mind, in case it goes down and in case it shows strong signs of selling, then the next big support will be 105.30. 105.30 is the next big support for DXY. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So 4-hour chart, nothing. But if I take you to 1-hour chart of gold here, or if I take you to 15-minute chart of gold here, then the most important thing you'll notice is that first of all, yes, the blue line 50 moving average is acting as a resistance here, but more than that, we also have a symmetrical triangle pattern kind of a formation, and usually it's a bilateral pattern. It is considered as a bilateral pattern. It means that a breakout may come in both the sides, so it's better to wait for the right time. As we have already seen that DXY is also standing at support, and gold has also come to the right spot. Okay, there is not much space here. Okay, so we may get a breakout very soon. And if you look at the economic calendar also, then we can see that we have got some few events coming up. For example, Euro, then we have GBP, then you have got flash service PMI for US dollar, then FOMC meeting minutes. So yes, there are some market driving events coming up. So yes, there is a possibility that at least we will get to see some volatility, some movements on the chart. Okay, so keep in mind that we have got some good levels on the market as well, on the chart of DXY as well as on the chart of gold. So try to follow the levels and trade accordingly. So first of all, if gold starts going up, okay, if gold starts going up, then you can go for a buy position. Okay, if you get a very good buying power. Okay, let's say DXY starts falling from the support, and obviously you will see a big green candle, you will see a breakout here, and if the candle is good enough, you can go for a buy position. Your target will be 1746 to 1747, this target. Though it is a breakout, but still this is an Asian session. Okay, Asian session going on. The volatility usually comes in the US session. So just to protect your capital, okay, try to book your profits around 46-47 level. If you see the breakout is very strong, then you can continue with the buy position, but otherwise it's better to book your profits here. Okay, if market starts going up, and in case you see market breaking the triangle and going up, so this is your first target, and this is your second target. Okay, second target, see why we're considering this first target, because of see previous price rejection around this level. And 1755, listen to me carefully my dear friends, 1755 to 57 is the bigger resistance on the chart of gold, because of previous price support. Okay, previously the same level acted as support, and right now we can expect the same level to act as resistance. I've already explained these things in my earlier videos, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff. Okay, so 1755 to 57 is the next big resistance here. If market goes up, then you can expect the market to reverse from this level as well. In case market breaks also, do not take a buy position above 1757. अगर तोड़ता भी है buy मत लीजिए, क्योंकि 1760 is also a resistance for the market. This is a whole resistance zone here. You can expect the market to reverse from this level. Okay, but keep in mind, only take a sell position once you get the confirmation. How will you get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star. You can get the confirmation in the form of a bearish engulfing pattern. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is facing selling pressure, then only press on the sell button. Keep your hard-earned money protected. Do not gamble with it. And on the other hand, if market starts going down, because right now already you can see the market has formed a red candle. So if market starts going down, then the first level will be 1732. Okay, see right now we don't know what will be the volatility of the market. Okay, if we see market going down, market breaking the triangle, but the volatility is low, in that case obviously market will not have the strength to break 1732. Okay, volatility plays a big role, I always say. So in that case 1732 will play as a support, and if market bounces from 1732 level, you can go for a buy position. But if the volatility is high, then it will break it. Okay, it will break it, because after all 1732 is not a very strong support here. Okay, the strong support, you know where it is. The strong support is around 1722-23 level. See, this is the Fibonacci. See, around this level we have got a good support, 1722-23 level. Okay, but is this a good support? This is not a good support. Okay, if the market is flat, market does not have much volatility, then we can expect the market to bounce and we can go for a buy position of 30 to 40 pips. But this level does not have the strength. This level does not have the strength to reverse the market. After all, not all levels have the equal strength in the markets. Okay, so this is a minor support that may work, may not work, but this looks like a good support to us, 1720 to 21. Anyways, whatever do, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. And my dear friends, my workshop, the Forex Hero Masterclass, is back. The world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. This is a 3 days workshop specially for those people who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Okay, if you really want to know more about me also, how was my journey, then you can go through my story, because I have shared my story. And if you go through it, then you'll have the confidence in you that if I can succeed, if Abhilash can succeed, then you can also succeed. It's all about hard work and patience. And everything is there on the website. This is how the workshop will transform your life. What are the supports you receive? Hopefully you will love it. Okay, and especially the price is very funny. Okay, okay, the price is very, the cheapest workshop in the whole world. Okay, anyways, go through it. Bye bye, take care.